In this video, I'll show you how to stop receiving email notifications in X, formerly Twitter, in just a few quick steps. This is a simple way to reduce inbox clutter and keep your email focused on the messages that actually matter. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's jump right in. First, open X and look at the left navigation bar. If you don't see all the options, click More to expand the menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This is where all of your account and notification controls are stored. Next, click Notifications on this page. You'll see different notification options for how X can contact you. Now choose Preferences. Inside Preferences, click Email Notifications. This section controls whether X sends updates to your email inbox. To stop those emails, simply toggle off email notifications. Once that switch is turned off, X will stop sending email notifications on X or Twitter. It only takes a moment, but it can make a big difference if you want fewer distractions and a cleaner inbox. If this video helped, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.